Good morning, my dear friends. In today's video, we'll be doing third exercise of matrices. We'll be studying properties of skew symmetric and symmetric matrices. Also, we'll find out how to find transpose of the matrix. So, what are we waiting for? Let's go. Here comes in front of you exercise number 3, matrices. Welcome back, my dear learners. In our previous videos, we have done exercise 3.1 and 3.2. Today, we will be doing exercise 3.3 and it has 12 questions. Let's start. Here is coming up in front of you exercise 3.3. Question number 1. Says that find the transpose of following matrices. You understand, transpose is all about changing row to column or column to row. 5, half and my -1, this is there. So, how to transpose it? We change the transpose of this matrix is 5, we change column into row, that's it. Second part also has the same type of 1, 2, this one is -1 and this is 3. Okay, so let's go ahead. So this will become what? 1 and 2 and -1 and 3. Yeah, got it? This is A transpose equals to. Okay. Third also. -1, 5, 6 and this is -√3 and this is 5 and 6, this is 2 also and this is 3 and -1. This will change into transpose of matrix A will be equal to -1, -√3 and 2, then 5, 5 and 3 and 6, 6 and -1. Got it? Simple. Okay. Let's do the next one. Next is second question. We don't have so much space that we can do the second question. Let's move on to the next page. Question 2 says that if matrix A equals to -1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, -2, 1 and 1. This is matrix A, and matrix B equals to -4, 1, -5 and 1, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1. Now you have to verify. What to verify? A plus B, transpose of this is equal to A plus B transpose. So, first let us find A plus B. A plus B. Add up directly. -1 and -4 is how much? -5. Yes, we add up these two. The next will be what? 6, next will be -1, next 3, 9 and this will be 4, this will be -2, this will be 9, this is 2. Okay. Now, what is transpose of this? A plus B. We will change row into column and column into row. Yes, -5, 3, -2 and then 6, 9, 9, then minus 1, 4 and 2. Got it? Now once this is done, you have to also verify this is equal to A. So what is A and what is B? We add up both. What is A transpose? That is A transpose is what? Minus 1, 2, 2 and 3. This changes, row changes to column. 5, 7 and 9, negative 2, 1 and 1. We add up to the B1 that we have is minus 4, 1, minus 5 transpose. 1, 2, 0, 1, 3, 1. So when we add, what do we get? We get minus 5 and then with 3, next is minus 2, then 6, 9, 9, minus 1, 4, 2. Yes, got it, that's correct. Got it? Let's move on to the next one. The next one says that A minus B equals to A transpose and B transpose. What is A minus B? You can go through the book. So A minus B, you'll subtract second matrix from first and you'll get it. So second was, what was second? Second is A. Okay. So let me try it to make it easier. A minus B equals to, A was minus 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, minus 2, 1 and 1, and B was, what was the value of B now? Minus 4, 1, minus 5, 1, 2, 0 and 1, 3 and 1. This was there. Now let's subtract first. How much this will come? When you subtract this, this will come 3 because 1 minus 1 this and this 1 and this 3 plus 8, 4, 5, 9, minus 3, minus 2 and 0. This we get. This is A minus B. And when once we find transpose, what happens? 3, 1, 8. This will come 4, 5, 9 and this will come minus 3, minus 2 and 0. Got it? Next let's do A transpose minus B transpose. What is A transpose? We'll write minus 1, 2, 3 and this is 5, 7, 9, minus 2, 1, 1. This is value of A transpose. Minus B is how much? Minus 4, 1, minus 5 and this is 1, 2, 0, 1, 3, 1. Okay. Now let's subtract. How much this will come? This will come the same. It's coming, yes. This is coming 3, 1, 8, 4, 5, 9, minus 3 and this 1 minus 3 minus 2 and 1 1 is 0. Okay, got it. That's correct. That's true. Okay. Let's move on to the next question. Third question is exactly the same, but let's do it for your perfection. Now A dash is given. A dash is given 3, 4, negative 1, 2, 0, 1 and B is given minus 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, verify first one, A plus B transpose equals to A transpose plus B transpose. Okay. This is quite the same question that we have done. Okay. So value of A first you get. A will be, see, A transpose is given, so A will be further transpose of this, that is 3 minus 1 0 4 2 1, yes, and plus, and B is already given. So first we find A plus B. A plus will be what? We add both this and that, so this will be 3 minus 1, how much? 2 1 1, and this will be 5, and this 2 plus 2 4, and 3 plus 1 4, yes, this is A plus B. And now A plus B transpose will be, in transpose 2 5 1 4 1 4, so this is left hand side. Okay, now let's find out right hand side. What is right hand side? Let's try to explore. Right hand side is A, this is already given, see, 3 4 minus 1 2 0 1, this is given, this is A transpose, plus we'll add up this, and this also we'll find out, B transpose, minus 1 1 2 2 1 3, how much is that? Is it coming the same? Yes, 2 5, and this 2 1 4 1, and this is coming 4, yes, got it. This is RHS, and this was left hand side, both are coming equal, good, got it, quite simple. Let's move on to the next part of this. The second part says that A minus B whole complement equals to A complement minus B complement. So what was A? What was A? A was A was 3 4 5, yes, so you can easily do it yourself. 3 minus 1 0 4, and then this was 2, this was 1, this was A minus, then you will do B. What is B? B was given minus 1 2 1 1 2 3. Subtract, how much you will get? This will get 4 minus 3 minus 1 3 0 minus 2. This is A minus B. Now A minus B transpose will be what? 4 3 minus 3 0 minus 1 and minus 2, negative 2. So this is LHS. Now let's do RHS. RHS will be A minus B. What is A? It's given 3 minus 1 0 4 2 1. This one is given, minus B transpose. How much is B transpose? Minus 1 1 2 2 and 1 and 3. Subtract, how much is this will come? 3 minus 1, this will come 4 3, and this will come minus 3, this will come 0 minus 1 minus 2. Okay, got it, very good. So this is the way how we prove LHS or transpose. Okay, difference. Let's move on. Question number 4 says that A transpose is given minus 2 3 1 2, and B transpose is given how much? No, only B is given, minus 1, and you have to find A plus 2B transpose. Okay, let's find A. First you get A. What is A? Minus 2 1 and 3 and 2, yes, and what is 2B?
2b will be multiply 2 by this, minus 2, 2, 0, 4. Now you add up a plus 2b. How much does it become? Minus 4, 1 and 5 and 6. Now once you find out a plus b and 2b, transpose of this, what will happen? Minus 4, 5, 1 and 6. That's it. Simple. Got it? Let's move on to the next question. I hope so you are understanding well. This is quite simple exercise comparatively. You have to prove that AB transpose equals to B dash A dash. Okay, transpose. Now A is given 1, minus 4 and 3. This is matrix A. And B is given minus 1, 2 and 1. We also have another part of this. So let's find first AB. We will multiply this. Yes? How much this will be? This you multiply with this. First you multiply by 1, then you multiply by 4. Once you multiply by this will come how much? Minus 1, 2 and 1. We discussed this multiplication, minus 2, minus 8 and minus 4, and this is minus 3, 6 and 3. Okay. First you multiply by 1, then we multiply by minus 4, and this is AB. Then AB transpose. How much this will be? Minus 1, 2, 1, 4, minus 8, minus 4, minus 3, 6 and 3. Got it? Simple. Left hand side we have done. Let's do right hand side. Now B and A. What is B? B is minus 1, so we'll transpose it, minus 1 to 1, and we'll multiply by A transpose. What is that? A will be 1, minus 4 and 3. Okay, so first we'll multiply by minus 1. This will come minus 1, 4, and this will come minus 3. Then we'll multiply by 2, 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 3 is 6. This is 3, don't be confused. This will come how much? 1, and this will remain the same. This is 3, don't get confused. Yeah, this is coming the same. That's correct. And got it? Clear? Okay, let's move on. Now question 6 says A equals to cos alpha sin alpha and minus sin alpha cos alpha. Verify A dash A equals to I. Now A solve. Let's solve. A dash will be what? A transpose will be cos alpha minus sin alpha. Column we are changing into row. Okay, and this will be sin alpha and this will be cos alpha. Now let's multiply dash A. Cos alpha, sin alpha, minus sin alpha and cos alpha. This one is there, we multiply by A. This is A dash, remember, and this is A. Cos alpha, sin alpha, minus sin alpha, cos alpha. Okay, multiply. You know the process, this and this. So this becomes cos square alpha plus sin square alpha. You must have sensitized. Now this into this, sin alpha cos alpha minus cos alpha sin alpha. This will become what? This you multiply by this, sin alpha cos alpha minus cos alpha sin alpha, and this will become sin square alpha plus cos square alpha. This continues over here. This cancels with this with this. So this is 1 and this is 0, 1 and 0. Oh, sorry, this is 0. Hurry spoils curry. So this is your matrix I. Remember, diagonal elements are 1. Got it? Let's move on. One more question. Second part is also there. A is given sin alpha, cos alpha, minus cos alpha, and this is sin alpha. You have to prove A, just a minute, A transpose A equals to I. The same process. What is A transpose? This is A transpose. A sin alpha, cos alpha. Row I am changing to column. Minus cos alpha, and this will become sin alpha. Okay. And second is A only, sin alpha, cos alpha, and minus cos alpha, and this is sin alpha. Okay. Multiply now. Remember the rule, this and this. This. Sin into sinus, sin square alpha. Cos into cos plus cos square alpha. And this will become, then this into this, sin alpha cos alpha minus cos alpha sin alpha. And this will become sin alpha, and this you multiply by this, sin alpha cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. Same process there. This will become sin square alpha. Just a minute. First is cos square alpha plus sin square alpha. So this will become 1, and this cancels with this cancels with this, 1 0 0 1. Got it? Clear? Simple? 6th question is done. Let's move to the 7th. Show that matrix A equals to 1, minus 1, 5, and minus 1, 2, and 1, 5, 1, 3 is a symmetric matrix. Now, it is only a symmetric matrix if A dash equals to A. This is a condition. Okay. If this is A dash is equal to A, then we say it is a, this is called condition for, okay. So let's try. Find out A dash, same process. See, we change row into column, 1, minus 1, 5, minus 1, 2, 1, 5, 1, 3. This is A, and A dash, let's find out. We change this 1 minus 5, 1 minus 1 and 5, yeah. Minus 1, 2, 1. Oh yes, it's coming the same. When we change, so A dash, A equals to A dash. So this is symmetric. It is symmetric. Got it? Very simple. Let's move on to question number 8. Matrix A is given 1, 6, 5 and 7. Now you have to verify first A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix. Okay. So what do you do? First you find A is given, we find A plus A dash. 1, 5, 6, 7, this is first one, plus A dash is what? 1, 6, 5, 7. This is A dash. Add up 2, 11, 11, 14. Okay. Now this is A plus A dash. Now let's find A plus A dash transpose of this. This will be also 2, 11, 11, 14. My God, it's coming the same. It is. Okay, that's correct. It's also curving the same. This means that this is a symmetric matrix. Let's move on to second part. Second part says that A minus A dash is also a symmetric matrix. Now what we do? First find A. A is given 1, 6, 5 and 7. Minus A dash is 1, 5, 6 and 7. Okay. Then we subtract 0, minus 1, 1 and 0. Now, got it? Now, you check how much is this coming. Is this coming the same? No, this is what? This is A minus A dash. Okay. Now let's find A minus A. How much is that? This will be 1, minus 1, 1 and 0. Oh, it's coming different. How is it coming different? There is a reason behind it. What is the reason? See, if suppose two matrices are there, one is P, and so if P, we find P dash also. So if P dash equals to minus of P, then we say that it is a skew symmetric. So what is coming? This is coming negative. This was 0. Yeah, this was 0. Right? So over here, what is coming? A minus A dash is what? Is skew symmetric. Skew, W is there. Matrix. Got it? The signs are different. Understood? I hope so. This is clear. Let's move on to the next one. Question number 9 says that find half of A plus A dash and also half of A minus A dash when A is given 0, minus A and minus B, and A 0 and minus C, and B and C and 0. Simple process. A dash we find first. How much is A dash? Just let's solve it together. A plus A dash. So what is A? A is 0, A, B, minus A, 0, C, minus B, minus C and 0. Okay, this one is A plus A dash. This transpose of A. How much is that? 0, A, B, and then this will be minus A, 0, C, and this will be minus B, C, negative C and 0. Got it? And add up, this becomes how much? 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay. And when we find a half of this, A plus A, that also remains 0. Yes? This the same 0 matrix. Okay, will be this only 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Yes, got it? First answer. Let's do second part. Second part says that you have to find A minus A dash, half of that. What is A? Let's find A minus A dash. A transpose, I mean to say 0 minus A minus B, A 0 minus C, B, C 0. This is there minus 0 A B C. I am finding transpose minus A 0 C, and this is minus B minus C and 0. How much is this coming? How much is this coming? See, subtract 0. This will be what? 2A. This will be 2B. And this will be minus 2A 0. This will be 2C. This will be minus 2B. This will be minus 2C, and this will be 0. Yes? Okay. Then when you find half of this, A minus A dash, it will become how much? 0 A B minus A 0 C minus B C and 0. Got it? Yes, this is your final answer. Easy, comparatively easy. Okay. Let's move on to the next question. This is question number 9 then. Question number 10. Express as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric. Forgive my handwriting, is not up to the mark. Often we feel like, but when nature, its creators, created the sky, stars are also arranged in haphazard manner. I hope so you agree to what I say. Okay. So question number 10 says that you have to express this in the form of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. So first thing you find out what is A dash. What was the question? The question was 3, 1, 5 and minus 1. Okay. First thing you find out A plus A dash. How much is that? 3, 5, 1. This is 1, 1. This is not minus 1. Okay. Plus 3, 5, 1 and minus 1. Add up this. How much this comes? 6 and 6 and 6 and minus 1 plus minus 1. That is 2, minus 2. Okay. Then this another one is given. Suppose as P. So will be half of A plus A dash. So it will come how much? 3, 3, 3 minus 1. I hope so this much is clear. First we find A is given, A dash we find that is transpose of this. Okay. Now what is this? Tell me. 3, 3, 3 and minus 1. Okay. How much is this? If you find P dash, P transpose, this will be what? 3, 3, 3 and minus 1. So P equals to P dash. So this is symmetric. Yes or no? P dash is symmetric. It's a symmetric. Yes or no? Are you understanding? Now let's find difference. Now once we are through with the sum, let's find difference. I have to keep this page over here just to make sure things. So A minus A dash we'll find. A is 3 comma, where is A? A is this 5 1 minus 1. Okay. Minus 3 1 5 and minus 1. Yes. What do we get? 0 4 minus 4 and 0. Yes. Okay. So then we'll find half of this. A minus A dash. How much is that? This will come 0 2 minus 2 and 0. We divide by 2. Then what how much is this? This is not. Now you can see that. Suppose this is Q equals to. The Q equals to 0, 2, minus 2, 0. So if you find q dash, it will be 0, minus 2 and 2 and 0. So that means you have to take minus common. So q dash equals to minus of q. So what is this? This is skew symmetric. What is it? Skew symmetric. This is not coming the same. If this is not coming the same, then what happens? Then this is skew symmetric. Now we were supposed to find, see in the question, we were supposed to find as a sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. So we'll add up these two. P plus Q. What was P? P was 3, 3, 3 minus 1. And what was Q? Q was this one. 0, 2, minus 2, 0. Add up. This comes how much? 3, 5, 5. Yes, we add up this one. Then 3 minus 2, 1, and this minus 1. Minus 1, okay. And what was this? This was actually the question. See, this was this. A, matrix A equals to A. That's it. We were supposed to go through this process only. Got it? Let's move on to next question. Second question, second part of this question rather. 6 minus 2, 2, minus 2, 3, minus 1, 2, minus 1, 3. Same process. Let this be A. Yes. Then we find A dash and so on. Or you suppose as P, then P plus P dash, can we? P equals to A plus A dash. This is A. So 6 minus 2, 2, minus 2, 3, minus 1, 2, minus 1, 3. This is A plus A dash. A dash will be 6 minus 2, 2. This one minus 2, 3, minus 1, 2, minus 1, 3. How much is this coming? This is coming, oh, 0. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, all are coming 0. So, how much is this coming 0? No, this was plus over here. This was not subtraction. Oh, just a minute, forgive me. This is plus over here. Okay, this will not come 0. 6 plus 6 is 12, minus 4, and this will come 4. This was I thought subtraction. Minus 4, 4, 6, minus 2, and 6. Got it? Now, if you divide by P equals to A plus A dash by 2, so this will come how much? This will come 6 times minus 2 and 2 times minus 2, 3, and this will be minus 1, 2, minus 1 and 3. Okay, this is the first part. Now, let's check what? P dash, transpose of P. That will come how much? 6 minus 2, 2, minus 2, 3, minus 1. Oh, it's coming the same. So this is coming equal. Yes, equals to P. If this is coming equal, so this is symmetric. This is symmetric. Got it? Now let's go ahead. I'll keep this paper over here. We'll find now A minus A dash. What is A? A 6 minus 2, 2, minus 2, 3, minus 1, 2, minus 1, 3. I'll be slightly faster, because simple thing you should not, and 8 you can, it's the same, so no changes. 3 minus 1, 2, 3. Now see, the 6 minus 6 all will come 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 2 minus 2, 0, 0, 0. Yes, this is coming 0, all 0. This is Q, suppose. So A minus A dash, if you divide by 2, then also this will come 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. Yes, so this is Q. Now this is Q. So Q dash, if you find Q dash, that will be also Q, because 0 is there. If you find negative of that, that does not make sense. Yes. So let's now find P plus Q. What was P? Let's see in the previous page. That was 6 minus 2, 2 minus 2, 3 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 3, and plus Q. Q was 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. Okay. So this is coming the same. 6 minus 2, 2 minus 2, 3 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 3. Okay, this is coming the same. This is equal to A. Got it? Very simple. Now another two parts are there. They are exactly in the same pattern. So I'll suggest you to do it yourself. Two parts, rest two parts are there. Exactly same pattern is there. So I'll move on to the next question, which says that question number 11. If C, MCQs are very important. A, comma B are symmetric. Matrix of same order, then AB minus BA is a what? They have given 4 options: skew, symmetric, matrix, or B option is symmetric, matrix, and C option is 0 matrix, and D option is identity matrix. Now consider, suppose A is 1 2 3 4 and B is 4 5 6 7. Now once you multiply with it, what happens? AB, and you multiply AB and then BC, what happens? So see, the sign will be different. No, it will come skew symmetric. Yes, the output product will be, correct answer is A, skew symmetric. Okay, you know, the sign will be different, AB minus BA. Another question is there. A is given cos alpha minus sin alpha and sin alpha, cos alpha, and A plus A dash equals to 1 if value of alpha is, now A pi by 6, B pi by 3, C pi, D 3 pi by 2. Now which one from your point of view will be correct? Now think about it. If you place the values, what happens? See, pi by 6 is what? Pi by 6 is 30. Put the values. Now they are saying A plus A dash equals to 1. Let's put the values. It will be coming pi by 3. Okay. Well, once you put C cos pi by 6, that's 30, cos 30 is 1. And this is how much? Another way I am telling you of finding this is, instead of putting values, you can also solve it. Let me see what's the question. Cos alpha, you can find A plus A transpose, that is cos alpha and minus sin alpha, and sin alpha and cos alpha, and transpose, you know it, now you are 100% okay. Cos alpha and this is sin alpha up over here, and this goes over here, sin alpha, and this comes. Now add up, what will come? It will come How much this will come? 1 0 and 0 1. Yes, if you make it equal to 1, can we? Equal to I rather you make, that is 1 0 0, and this side it will come what? This side it will come cos is 2 cos, and this sine will cancel, and this one 2 cos theta, and this will cancel, so this will be 0, and this 0 2 cos theta equals to, right? Solve it. So cos theta equals to 2 cos theta equals to 1 cos theta equals to 1 by 2. We did like trigonometrical inverse. So theta will be cos inverse 1 by 2. 1 by 2 will come what? Pi by 3. Yes. Yes, no. So which one is the correct option? Correct option is B is correct. Correct option. Got it? Star, sign of happiness. I hope so. You're clear with each and every question of this exercise. We studied about symmetric matrix and skew symmetric. Symmetric in which A dash equals to A in case A and B are two matrices, and skew symmetric in case A dash equals to minus A. Also we studied how to transpose, we change row into column and column into row. So this full exercise is done. We'll meet again with our next exercise, with our next video. Thank you.
So we did each and every question of third exercise of matrices. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. We'll get back. We'll meet again in the next video with exercise 3.4. Bye. Take care.